Here are the 3 biggest things I'm doing to make good levels faster in my game. Number 1 is tools. I'm using Unity's built-in tile map editor, I'm using their rule tiles, I'm abusing their prefab system. This means that creating blockouts is really fast. I can write it down on pen and paper, that can take me a couple hours, and then after that I then put it in editor and I can make it in around half an hour. It being so fast is really useful because you can get it made quickly, you can then test it, you can get other people to test it, and you can iterate. And the faster you can iterate, the more you can iterate, the better level you'll have. I'm also using AI. It's helping me create some editor tools. An example here is just clearing player data or unlocking certain levels. It's basically different tools help accelerate testing my game in different scenarios. And it's all stuff that isn't part of the game's core logic, so that if it's bloated or ugly, it doesn't matter. It's just editor tools and won't really affect the spaghettiness of what's already there. And number 2, I'm designing with intent. What I mean by that is every single level, every single interaction is designed with a clear goal and intent. A very simple example is introducing a new mechanic. I'll introduce it in a way where it's framed in a way that the player wants to interact with it and they see exactly what it does with no penalty and no threat of danger or anything like that. And escalate it, introduce it and combine it with other obstacles and slowly make the player do more and more whilst incorporating this new mechanic. A thing that I look to quite a lot for this is called rational game design, specifically atomic parameters. One of those parameters is basically inputs. As I'm making a precision platformer, I'm boiling it down to just inputs. The more inputs I make the player press, and the faster I make them press them, and the more those inputs are kind of opposing each other in a sense, like moving left and right really fast and stuff like that, the more difficult, more complex the level can be. I'm basically using that and just a bit of intuition, ensure that I'm building things in a sensible way. And everything I build is with purpose. I'm either trying to teach the player something new or trying to surprise them in a new combination and make them think slightly differently. Nothing is placed randomly, everything is built with intent. And number 3 is I'm making linear levels. Not everyone can make linear levels for their game, every game can be different. But if you can make linear levels and you can get away with it, I would advise it. If you want to make something open or non-linear, you're instantly making a lot more work for yourself. It's fine if you've got the time to ensure that you are designing each space and area with intent and meaning. When you build linearly, it's much clearer for the player, like where they're going. You don't have to create as much content, it's less art. You basically boil things down to their most simple format of like this level, this level, this level. Minimal exploration and stuff like that. It just means less work overall, and it means you can focus more time on making the core parts of that level fun and engaging for the player. Now some games obviously can't be linear, they need to be a bit more open. Basically the smallest scale map and level you can get away with it still being meaningful and fun and a good player experience, the better, because it's then a tighter, more polished experience and you have more time to iterate on it and change things and art it up at the end.